The closest that a servant comes to his Allah is when he is prostrating, so make plenty of supplication. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Namaz is an amazing exchange. You hand over your worries to Allah, and Allah hands over his blessings to you. When you have no one else, remember you have Allah. Sometimes the people with the worst past create the best future. Umar ibn al-Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, and he found you lost and guided you. Allah's timing is perfect in every matter. We don't always understand the wisdom it, but we have to trust it. Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. Allah is always there to listen. You just need to be there to talk. Whoever desires to purify his heart, then let him prefer Allah to his desires. Ibn al-Qayyim, Allah knows what is the best for you, and when it's best for you to have it, remember Allah during times of ease, and He will remember you during times of difficulty. The more you trust Allah, the easier it becomes to trust Him. The more you believe in His wisdom, the easier it becomes to accept His will. Allah knows what is in every heart. Allah is with the patient. When you make a dua, it is a sign that Allah loves you and has intended good for you.
The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Allah, is the best listener. You don't need to shout nor cry out loud, because He hears even the very silent prayer of a sincere heart. Allah does not look at your appearance or wealth. Verily, with every difficulty, there is relief. Allah is with you wherever you are when you feel lost in life. Take a moment to remember Allah's plan for you. He knows what you are going through and has a plan for your future. Allah tests different people with different trials, because He knows what they can bear. He tests you with something to see if it draws you closer to Him or takes you away from Him. When Allah loves a servant, He tests him. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.